What are you doing, Oscar? Really? Is it fun? Oh, that's a lovely shot of your back end. Can I see your face? Can you say hi? No. Oscar Mayer. Oscar. Look at your tail curly cueing. Are you in a good mood? No. You just want attention, don't you? Huh? You want a foot rub? You're a big boy. Yeah. Tell me how your day's going. No. Do you have anything else to say? That's it?